How to install downloader on Samsung Smart TV. The first things first is you have to go ahead and check the specifications of your Samsung Smart TV. The reason why behind that is because not all of the version of Samsung Smart Television has a specific app store where you can download a third-party application. Now, if your current Samsung Smart TV does not support third-party applications that you can download, what you need to do is you can try to insert a USB stick at the side portion of your Smart TV. Now, on that specific USB, all you need to do is just to simply use your PC or laptop and download the APK file Smart Television and then just run it over. And that's basically it. That's how you install Downloader on your Samsung Smart TV.